Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you a platform where you are going to make a lot of sales. So if you've been selling something, whether it's a product or service, and you've not been getting a lot of customers, you've not been getting a lot of eyeballs on your business, in this video I'm going to show you a place where you are going to get thousands of customers who are going to queue up to buy from you. You're going to advertise on this platform absolutely free, and you still be able to make really good money on a daily basis. What I'm about to share with you is something I have used to sell a lot of my products, and I've also bought from vendors too. You can also use this platform to drive traffic to your other businesses at zero cost. Now, the platform I'm talking about, so a lot of people are making sales on a daily basis. People are generating 10,000, 15,000, 20,000 naira, depending on what you are selling. Facebook Marketplace is a huge opportunity for you to list your business out there, get thousands of target audience, see what to sell with pictures of your products, then get them to buy. One question you want to ask me is, how do you list your business on Facebook Marketplace? How do you get started? How do you collect your pay? I'm going to show you right now how to get started in just few simple steps. I'm going to open my Facebook account and show you exactly how to do that.
So this is Facebook Marketplace. All you need is click on it and it opens. If you scroll down here, you are going to see hundreds of products. A lot of people are selling on this platform. People are selling hairs, shoes, home appliances, gadgets, a whole lot of things. And you can just go on now and list your own. Now, how do you put your own product here? Okay, so to put your own product, you're going to scroll to this place and click on this button that says sell, and then it opens. Look at down here. So if you look down here, it says create new listing. You have items, vehicles, homes for sale, and the rest of them. Over here, the first thing is to add images of your product. Now you can add up to 10 images of your product on this platform. Just that particular product, you can snap it in various angles and directions, and add up to 10 of them on this platform. All right, so just click on this button now and you are going to be taken to a place where you are going to select images from your mobile phone. So just go on and select one. I'm just going to take this one as example. So you keep adding more and more images. After that, the next one is to add title of the product you are selling. If, for example, you are selling hairs, you can go on and write something like ladies human hair or whatever the name of the product is. The next one is to add the price of the product. How much do you want to sell it? Go on and put the price here. Okay, then the next one is the category. So I'm going to just put the title as YouTube course. Let's say it's YouTube course that I'm selling here, and I want to sell it for 3,000 naira as example. Now the next one is put category. So you're going to select the category of the product you are selling. Is it home and gadgets? Is it entertainment, clothing, accessories, family, and electronics, and all of that? So go on and select the one that best describes the product you are selling. I'm going to go on now and click on this button that says books and movies, because this is where my own product falls. The next one is to go and select the condition of the product. Is it a new product? Is it a very used product? Or, just go on and select the one. So I'm going to select it's a new product. Now, the next step is to add description. So you're going to go on now and describe the product you are selling. All right, just go on and describe the product in a way that when people see it, when people read it, they will appreciate it and they will want to buy from you. And one best way to do this is to use a lot of keywords that will help the product to be found by your target audience. So the next one now, once you're done with that, the next one is location. It automatically selects your location, and if you want to edit it, you can click on this edit button here and you can go on and edit it. Now here's another feature I love so much about this marketplace. If you do not want your friends, your Facebook friends and family to see the product, you can hide it from them. So when you publish this product, every other person on the internet can see it except your Facebook friends and family. So to do that, you're going to turn on this button, and once you do that, once the product goes live, everyone will see it, excluding your family and friends on Facebook. All right, so you can also click on this button that says list more places. So with this, you go on and select other Facebook groups where you can list this same product. With a click of a button, you start selling it on those platforms if it's allowed. The last one is additional listing options. So if you can actually, if there are other things you forgot to add, you can going to help your product stand out. For example, one of the options here is offer shipping. If you're offering people, your customers, shipping, you need to turn on this button. There are other ones like public meetup, door pickup, and the rest of them. So you scroll down here and select the one that best fits what you are doing. Now here is it. So with this, we already listed the product. The next thing you want to do is click on this button that says publish. With this button, this product will go live and thousands of people will get to see your product online, place order, and then you'll be able to sell to them from the comfort of your home and collect your pay. Like I said, a whole lot of people I know have been making sales using this strategy, and I'm very sure with this strategy, if you're offering a product or a service that a lot of people want to buy, you are going to make at least 10 to 20,000 naira every single day from this. All you need is just make sure that the product is something a lot of people want to buy, and then give it to them at a better price. Be open to responding to messages, and a whole lot of them, because a lot of them are going to send you messages. All right, and it's a very great way to sell your product and services, make money online, and even build relationship with your new customers.
Normally, before people make purchases, they want to check you out. They want to do the due diligence, interact with you, send you a message, and then confirm that you are legit before they send their money to you. And this is why you need to pay close attention to your Facebook profile, the picture you are using, your bio, and a whole lot of other content you publish on your profile. I advise you take time to clean up your profile, so when people land on your profile, you are going to look serious, like you look like a serious-minded business owner that is worth buying from. All right, so because before they buy from you, they are going to click on this button that says seller details, and it's going to direct them to your profile. All right, so you need to do all of this work and then be ready to respond to messages. One other amazing feature of this Facebook marketplace I love is that when people are interested in what to sell, once they send this, click on the button that says send seller message, it's going to go straight to your DM. Facebook is going to take the stress of reminding you consistently that people are interested in your business. Someone send you a message, you should reply, and even when you reply that person, Facebook is also going to continuously send the person a reminder that you have replied their messages. And this is one of the best ways Facebook is pushing the marketplace and helping a lot of people to make sales. Let me know in the comment section, have you used Facebook Marketplace before? Have you ever sold on Facebook Marketplace? Have you listed your business there? Do me the favor of hitting that subscribe button and the bell icon beside it so you get notified each time I publish new videos. So give this video a thumbs up. I'll really appreciate that. Now, so guys, I need you to do me a little favor. My niece just created her channel and I would love you to show me love by subscribing to her channel. She's a brilliant girl coming up, creating content on everything that will help a student perform well in school. This is her YouTube channel. Please do me the favor of subscribing to her channel. I'm also going to drop the link in the description of this video, so click on the link in the description of this video as well as the first comment of the video to subscribe to the channel. I will really appreciate it if you do that. See you in my next video. Bye.